Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ingrid here from Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice relaxing blend. And today we need a syringe and one of these funnel, and then we're using 3 oils. I'm going to be also throwing up the recipe on the screen for you so you can follow along. And also you can also adjust your recipe as well. This is just a short little video on how to make this relaxing blend. And so the recipe is here, and as you can see here, I hope you can see the oil that I'm using. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, for more videos that I'm making. I try to make daily videos so you can see all these videos that I'm making and the blend. And if you need some information and any blends, or you need to see a blend, just let me know, and I will surely send it along your way or try to make a video for you. So as you can see here, I just added some oils, and also you can just put this in a diffuser. Oops, luckily this didn't throw away. And just by using these oils, my house smells so good. And I don't even use the blend as yet. So my diffuser is not on, but my house smells really good. So I said go and try this. It's really relaxing. You can smell all these oil. You can see even the lemongrass. You can see how the lemongrass is coming through. Really wonderful blend. So I'm going to make sure I shake this properly so I left nothing in. And I am just pouring this in the bottle. I'm going to show you. It's like nothing to it. You can see like nothing in there because it's just 2 drops each. And so make sure whenever you put it into your diffuser, all the oils are out. You can even add some water to the bottle and just throw it in your diffuser. And also because this is not a lot of oils that this is just called for like some people doesn't like when their diffuser going, or you put too much oil is in it. So that's why I'm showing you this blend here as well, so you can just adjust it. If you need to make your house a little, or your room a little bit stronger, you can go ahead, but honestly this is just good enough for your room, your like a bedroom. But if you're going to be use it like in the whole house, you need a living room to smell, I just go ahead and add more oil. I'm going to be running this video again so you can see what's going on, because I needed to say more about these oils. So for the bedroom, this is great. And if you need to for your whole living room or so forth to smell good, what I do, I go ahead and I put 6 drops of each oil and my diffuser. So I mean, you can go ahead and just adjust the oil as needed. Don't go ahead though and go crazy and throw all the oil in your diffuser, because what will happen is your diffuser, the bottom of the diffuser where the water bubble from, that will get clogged. Like I show you in the previous video, that you have to kind of not wash the diffuser, but just take a Kleenex or something, or a rag or something, and just wipe out that area, because the oil will clog it up. And so you're going to be thinking, oh, my diffuser is not working. But it's not that your diffuser is not working. It's need to clean. And also, guys, another tip I need to let you know about is that for me, I don't use fragrance oil. For me, fragrance oil is made from man-made chemical, and so I don't use fragrance oil. I always use essential oils. I want to say thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my new subscribers. Appreciate you guys so much, and thanks so much for your support. I hope everyone's having a blessed day.